o bosib, hyd yn hyn, gêm fwy'r tymor yn uwch Gynghrair Cymru. Bacare. Mae'n wedi cael ail gyfle o'i honni mewn, a mae'n gwneud hynny. Mae Bat yn mynd amdani, mae Harris yn ei harbed i ar y llinell. A'r peniad yn y diwedd gan Owens. Ac oedd o'n gyfle. Lewis. Mullen. O, mae hwnna'n bas fach glyfer. Am gol. Eiron Edwards ydy'r blaenwr wedi'r cyfan. Ar y fainc oedd hwn i fod y pnawn yma. Beth bynnag ydy'r rheswm, mae wedi cychwyn a mae wedi tanio. A fydde'r un blaenwr wedi gallu i tharo hi'n well.
Mae o'n curo'r trap can sefyll, a wedyn mae i gyd i fyny iddo fo. Mae o'n ongl dyn, mae o'n mynd am pŵer, ond y beth pwysig i fi, mae'n mynd yn uchel. A pan ti'n mynd yn uchel, a ti'n taro'r gol, mwy neu lai, ti'n mynd i gyrraedd y rwyd, a mae o'n neud hynny.
Falle nad oedd y Seintiau'n cael gymaint o'r meddiant, ond pan nhw'n cael y meddiant, maen nhw fel nhw'n fwy peryg efo fo. A mae Mullen yn y siampl, mae am feddwl fynd i hun, mae'n dal i redeg, mae hyn bron iawn fatha Arsenal a Ramsey, ac oedd yr arbediad yn angerheidiol gan Danby. Fasa honna di bod yn dipyn o gol.
Mae o'n positif, mae o'n troi llawn hyder. Wel, oedd hi'n mynd i fod i gornel tan y Danby wneud yr arbediad.
Bodnam. Owens di dod nôl yn ddofn. O, mae hwnna'n bas hyfryd, mae'n gyfle am ail gol fan hyn, di hwnna'n gego'r smotyn. Mae'r dyfarnwr yn edrych a mae o'n chwifio i fus ac yn deud chwaraewch ymlaen.
Ti'n bod be, mae'n gico'r smotyn, trwy dyn yn y man ni, mae Redmond yn cymryd y cyfryddiad cyntaf ar bwrpas i wadd y dacl i fewn gan Harrison.
Edwards. O, i lwybr Lewis. Sa rhywbeth yn dod o hynna. Nôl at Mullen. Mullen yn ergydio. Am gol, brobl yn coroni symudiad sy'n croniclo popeth sy'n dda am y pencampwyr.
Edrych ar hon. O, mae hwnna yn werth i weld. Ac wedyn yr hediad gan Lewis. Mullen yn yw hanner ergyd a daws y gol. Mae'n gonio traed, brobl. Mae gefno i'r gol, mae'n cael cyffyrddiad cyntaf da, yn gosod i am yr ail cyffyrddiad i chwimpe mewn i gornel fa. Gwych gan Lewis. Gwych gan Brobel.
Nawr te, mae hwnna'n gallu bod yn gardiau'n goch iddoch chi. Mae yn. Wild oedd hi'n amlwg pan ath i droed o mewn bod na fygythiad ac yn erbyn y tîm y gnath o gymaint o'i plaid nhw yn erbyn y tîm y fydde wedi caru creu argraff. Mae o'n creu argraff am yr rheswm cwbl anghywir a mae rhaid i chi dybio nawr mae ar ben ar ei dîm o heno.
Yeah, this evening, do you feel that you've made a significant step forward in the title race now?
Yeah, it's still a few games to go, but, you know, I said to the boys before the game, you know, you win this game, you go top, but you also, we've got that game in hand as well. We haven't been top many times during the season, so it's, you know, it's a good feeling, and it's where we want to be. It's where we plan to be all along.
Do you feel that you managed the game better tonight than Connah's Key did?
I can't talk for them, but I just thought fantastic. You know, the way we played, the way we defended, the way we broke. Thought we were excellent. I can't remember them having too many chances, whereas we probably had 3 or 4, and we were clinical. You know, Aaron Edwards' goal was fantastic, and the second one there was also excellent.
Y gol gyntaf gen ti ag am ergyd oedd hi hefyd. Faint o ryddhad oedd gweld y bel yn taro cefn y rhwyd?
Dwi'n nath o just eisteddfod fyny i fi a nath i just rhoi bob dim sy'n ôl efo a lwcus nath o'n mynd i'r Connah uchaf.
Mae rhaid i fi ofyn, oedd ti'n disgwyl bod ar y cae heddi yma?
Ie, ti'n gwybod, yn anaf, so dwi di...
Wel, mae gen ti rewl ar dy sana rwan yn does?
Ie, gobeithio bydd fi'n iawn yn wythnos nesaf.
And in terms of that second goal, Danny, a beautiful team goal, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was lovely. You know, we do that day in, day out in training. To do it in a game as well, it's a lovely round off of 3 points.
Back at the top now, league's in your hands, would you say?
Yeah, you definitely got a game in hand. But you know, it's a long way to go. Yeah, we've still got to pick up as many points as we can and as many wins as we can to stay there.
Wel, da ni'n gwybod bod chi'n falch i fod yn ôl ar y brig heno Eiron. Faint o ddathlu fydd na?
Ie, bydd na dathlu, ti'n gwybod, ond da ni heb di ennill i byd eto, so bydd ni canolbwyntio am y gêm nesaf a cario ymlaen.
look, sometimes you come up short, and we've come up short today in a big game.
And was it a case that they perhaps managed the game a little bit better than yourselves?
I'd say so, yeah. I think, on reflection, I think being in that position and played in games, over the years, I think they probably did manage it slightly better than us. But again, I can't be disappointed of how far the club have come and how far the boys have come and how well they've done. And and climb mountains this year and done ever so well. So I've told them to keep their heads up, and don't be disappointed. Still everything to play for. We now have to go and be ready for Friday night. You just move on very quickly in this game and be ready for the next one.